Thinking of selling your home in 2025 and want to maximize the value? Preparing your property can make all the difference between a quick, top dollar sale and a prolonged, stressful process. So, where do you start with improvements to get the best return on your investment? Hi, I'm Julie Mayers with Keller Williams Realty, your go-to real estate expert here in Central Oregon. Every week, folks just like you get in touch with me for help with buying, selling, or making the big move to this beautiful region. I'd love to hear about your specific needs and discuss how we can make your transition as smooth as possible. Feel free to call me directly or use any of the contact options below. I'm here to help and excited to be part of your journey to Central Oregon. Now, let's get to it. Let's talk about the repairs that give you the most value. First off, start with basics, the repairs that matter most to buyers. Fix leaky faucets, running toilets, and make sure doors and windows open smoothly with no squeaks or torn screens. These are low-cost fixes that show buyers your home is well maintained. You may want to boost your curb appeal by repainting the front door and putting down some mulch or bark to freshen up your exterior. We all know first impressions matter, and by doing this, your home will have more perceived value. What about the more pricey repairs and improvements for kitchens and bathrooms? Kitchens are typically the heart of the home, and buyers love to see an updated, fresh, and functional kitchen. You can replace outdated cabinet hardware, install energy-efficient appliances, or upgrade your countertops. Data shows that minor kitchen updates generate a return on investment of 80 to 90%. Revitalizing a bathroom by replacing faucets and toilets or installing new mirrors and light fixtures can give you a return on investment potential of 60 to 70%. Why is return on investment important? It will help you decide which improvements are worth the cost to maximize your property value and put more money back in your pocket. Getting your property ready to sell in 2025 doesn't have to be overwhelming. With the right steps and a little expert guidance on repairs and improvements, you'll attract the right buyers and maximize your sale. Reach out to me so we can talk about your goals, decide on what improvements will help you, and start preparing your home for sale today. Give me a call today. I'm Julie Mayers with Keller Williams Realty.